I really feel like going on a run, so I'll just go on a quick little run before the sun goes down. Just still some sun right now, so I'll just reapply my sunscreen. I'm gonna journal a little bit before I go to bed. I want to show you the 2 pens that I bought in Helsinki. I didn't do much shopping in Helsinki last week, but I did buy these. Both are from Muji. Okay, this is the gel ink pen, and this is just a regular ballpoint pen. Can you tell how thin and smooth it is? It's literally perfect for journaling, so I can't wait to use it. Oh wow. Isn't that just beautiful? Like, every single thing is just beautiful. I will definitely save the box. I don't know for what yet, but it's just too beautiful to throw away. I'm keeping all of my toner pads here because they take up so much space. These are my Riddle shots and then some unopened skincare. My favorite cotton pads here from Muji. I'm making a Vietnamese dessert soup. Here is dried kelp, then we have dried red dates and snow fungus, rock sugar, frozen lotus roots, and I'm currently boiling the lotus seeds. Oh, and then we also need longan, dry longan. You guys, my Dyson has arrived. It's so heavy. Why is it so heavy? Oh my god. This is a huge package though. It's way bigger than I expected it to be. It's like 60 centimeters tall. And it's super heavy. That's pretty. Okay, we have the round brush. This should be the dryer. This is the actual machine. This is the cleaning tool, I think. Oh! Oh, this is the thicker barrel, and this is the thinner one.
I'm starting to. I miss a lot.
I didn't buy a lot today, but I did buy these white shorts. I'm not someone who usually wears shorts, but I thought these look cute and they were on like 70% off, so a really good deal. I'm very happy with my purchase. My ends are about 90% dry now, so I'm just gonna go in with a barrel. This is the thicker one. And then you just adjust this depending on like if you want the curls to go outwards or inwards. So this one outwards like that. That's crazy. I don't think I'll brush them out because I'll be sleeping, so I think I'll just leave them like this, and then they'll probably fall by tomorrow morning. I would say that took me like 15 minutes to do my whole head, including cool shot for like 10 seconds or so. This is my hair the morning after. Okay, let me try brushing them out because this is a bit too curly for me.
Very hard. He had a full-time job at a manufacturing plant, and on the side he started his own clothing line called Lavish Habit.
Time that we were 9 years old. David was a best friend.
I can say that David seemed happy. I believe they had fun. I believe they had a good time within them 6 months that they
children are bears of the heart, but when we
every day we saw David.
Have oat bread, got spring onions. This is 266 grams of salmon, and oat milk, of course. Protein yogurt drink is really good. Sardines. Last but not least, I got tomatoes.